My name's Drogo. I'm the founder of Fine Food Specialist. Today I want to show you how to cook some of these amazing ingredients that we sell on the website. Right now I'm going to cook this wonderful wild Chilean sea bass, very flaky, massive fish, very rich, fatty in butter. It's amazing. It's kind of the wagyu of the sea. We're going to do a really nice hot salad, and we're going to put it on a bed of choy sum as well, so it's got the Asian sort of feel. Right, so we're going to very quickly blanch this choy sum. Now we're going to, really important with all sort of boiling or blanching, the water needs to be seasoned. It's really important when you're cooking to season things, season the water very, very heavily. Okay, so in it goes. Put a lid on that straight away, and that will wilt down very nicely. Okay, we've got a lovely fresh bunch of coriander here. Delicious, not everyone likes it, most people do. The stalks have the most flavour. Totally amazing, don't throw them in the bin. Really fine cut. You can even smell it coming out already. Just delightful, and there's so much flavour in there. So I'm going to use some leaf as well, and some stalk, and I always use both. We're just going to go through these gently, and this is going to run through the mushrooms. At the end, that's fine. So I've got that ready, both stalk and leaf of coriander. Okay, so now we're going to cook this wonderful Chilean sea bass, very flaky fish. Put the skin side down. Right, now what I'm going to do with this now is finish it with butter and thyme, which just finishes the cooking and gives it a lovely flavour all over. So in goes another butter. The thyme's going to start crackling now, and we're going to baste that over the fish. Look at that flavour. All that is just the flavour of the fish, the thyme, the butter. I can smell it, it's just delicious. And that's ready to go. So we're just going to squeeze any excess water out of this choy sum, because obviously it's been blanched in water and then refreshed in water, and that's all going to go in. We don't want to get a mouthful of water. In goes that. Look at that, just absorb it all straight in. So all that flavour has now been coated and covered. So we'll turn the flame off at that stage. We know the pan's hot. Just going to make sure all of it gets the heat on it, and that's pretty much ready now. In go the shimeji and the shiitake. You can hear them crisping away there. Again, you can still hear the water coming out from these ones. You can hear that crackling. That is actually the water coming out, and as the water comes out they get soft. That's what we're looking for. So in go the last ones. These are the enoki mushrooms. They're just going to soften down and literally turn into kind of string. One last flip. See how they're now softened? They're now ready for a liklum. Now this is really important. It's quite a sweet sauce. This it's kind of sticky. It just needs a very, very tiny little bit. And then go our corianders. Beautiful, look at that. Very, very nice smell. And that's ready to go. So we're going to go and plate our food now. So just to finish it off there, I'll put a nice Amalfi lemon on there. Just give it a bit of colour and finish it off. Wild Chilean sea bass, choy sum, a little Asian noodle mushroom salad, and Sicilian lemon to finish it off. I really hope you've enjoyed watching me cook these recipes today. All the products and recipes are available on finefoodspecialist.co.uk. Go and have a look at the website. There's plenty more there to see too.